Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a radio list tile in Flutter Android. List tile is intended to design a single row item of a list view which may have an icon and a simple text. But we can use the list tile without a list view also. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. These are the data members. These variables handle the check and uncheck status of the radio buttons, and also its color accordingly. We will have two radio buttons, male and female. Initially, the male radio button will be selected. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the container widget so that we can add some margins to our UI. Inside the container widget, we have a column widget. The first element in the column is a text widget that we will use to display which radio button is clicked by the user. Then we have a radio list tile widget. Here we set the selected attribute as the first item of the isSelected array, which is the true value, so this radio button would be selected initially. Then we set the active color, selected tile color, shape, title, value, group value of the radio button, and the list tile. When the radio button is checked or unchecked, this onChanged function gets called. Here we set the values of our variables. When this radio button is checked, we set its value as checked. And simultaneously, we set the other radio button's value as unchecked. Also, we update the result variable, which shows the selected radio button's name in the text widget above. And this is the second radio list tile for female. Here we do the exact same thing which we did above. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a radio list tile in Flutter Android. Thank you.